In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy packs in FC24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are many ways to acquire packs in FC24. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to purchase them from the store, so you will be able to purchase them at will using your coins or FC coins or currency. So all that you have to do to spend your coins or FC points into packs available is to go over to the store. So in the UT menu, all that you have to do is switch over from home to store. When you go over to the store, you will be able to find plenty of categories, so you can browse through all of them. Usually, you will be able to find packs to purchase under promo packs, packs for you, classic packs, and other categories. So just browse through all of them until you find one that satisfies you. You should be able to find limited packs, you should be able packs that are permanently available, and basically all that you have to do is highlight any of them. The price will be displayed right underneath the pack, and if you hover over any of them, you will be able to see the amount of items, players, and rares included in that specific pack. Once you select any of them, you will then be able to complete the purchase. They're going to tell you the odds and you can read the description. For example, the Ultra La Liga TOTS Dual Guarantee Pack includes 30 rare gold player items rated 87 or higher, with 2 guaranteed to be rated 90 or higher, and so on. Make sure to read the description and pick a pack that satisfies you. Once you complete the purchase, you can switch over to My Packs, or usually it automatically is opened as soon as you finish purchasing it. So it is extremely simple and you can repeat this as many times as you wish with as many packs available. Make sure that you always refresh the store from time to time and you see which packs are made available in different categories throughout the week, throughout the month, and updates. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy packs in FC24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.